Day 2. Tingnan ko na makalimutan. Happy birthday, Starry! Yung kambal mong isa nasa baba. Di natin binati. Ay, wala pa. 12 na yun eh. 12. Di ba sabi mo kanina 12? Itong kambal na to. Good night, guys. Kanin. Oras na tayo natulog kasi. Walang kanin. I won out of Day 2.
The real one, I will show you the real one. And we are not sure that because we want to bake it in the bakery. Bakery, you find a mosque.
Yeah.
Okay, water please.
Essential oil as well. Marmalade, essential oils. The sour oranges, the leaves, they are a little bit large and a light green. But the orange... Anyway, thank you for choosing Morocco.
We can always come back.
Exactly, yeah. But not anymore. And nice and cooler inside. How come? It's hot outside. Here is nice and cooler. Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. Because the world is very thick, large, and the ceiling is high. Anyway, they protect you against the heat from outside. And even the floor is all made by ceramic.
Oh.
And the ceramic, it's
Cooling.
great when you wash it with cool water. It's keep nice and the desert, which is the green one, and we have other ceramic, which is very little bit commercial, and it's this is one of my favorites. The best are handmade, and all painting is like natural dyes. The small part. Each one has a size room. And this room you find 24 rooms, and the number 25 is like the hat room, like the skin room, And normally in hammams always you find 3 rooms. The first one is cooler, second one is warm, and the last one is very hot. Sinon, excursion urgent, sinon.
Like small massage, like this, up to down, like this. If you feel your skin becomes greasy, oily, it means it's fake. If you find your skins absorb them very quick, it means it's fake. Don't touch it.
Free lipstick. Bumili.
May like free stocks.
Yeah, we do. Gusto ko yung mga ganito eh.
People like
So, day 2 in Morocco. Meron kaming very ano bang tawag natin doon? Very friendly. Very informative.
Thank you
tour
very
guide. And his name is? Your name?
Ahmed Moulay Abdel Jabbar.
Okay.
You're very welcome in Marrakesh, Morocco. Amazing, beautiful country.
I'll put his detail below. Subukan nyo siyang itry. Subukan nyo siyang itry. I mean,
Salamat. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
He's really good.
Yeah.
Really nice.
I'll keep this card. According to him, it's life and death.
Getting the Moroccan.
But it's highly recommended. That place.
It's a beautiful place.
How do you say Marrakesh?
Marrakesh.
It's Marrakesh.
Yeah. Marrakesh. Yeah.
We're saying it wrong.
Yeah. We're saying it wrong.
Beautiful city, Marrakesh.
It is.
Yes. Welcome, guys, to Morocco.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're very welcome in Morocco. We can take care about you guys. I'm sure you will enjoy your trip here.
For sure.
With cheese and spicy.
This with
Yeah, without cheese.
Chips.
Oh, mainit.
yung si Uncle Roger may show nga siya na yung sabi niya
Pauwi siguro niya.
انت داك صغير تولي قصها نزل عنده داك الشيء نزل عنده خلاص صغير وقول له داك البيت عاد شوف حيت بس صغير والدجاج بغيت الطريفات يبقاو غلاظ وما يتقرملش راه دهن كنطلب انا مثلا يجوز ليش كنطلب
Sarap nga.
Beautiful. It's not only small, like I would say, small stores, but the big factories, they are located outside of the market. Morning. Make this. That's present for you.
Oh, for
For free.
me.
Yeah. This one for you. Open. Open. Even this one. Come.
Take picture.
Video. Before you open it. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, slide.
1, 2, 3.
Snake shoot. Let's do it. No, let's do it. Okay? That's it.
Oh, no.
It will come.
Oh.
Go inside. Look how they. Even if you want to dye your hair.
Look, touch. This is Moroccan silk. The aloe vera.
This is the cactus fiber.
Exactly.
Cactus fiber. Yeah.
That's nice.
Mexican silk from tequila. Chinese silk is for animal. Moroccan silk is a vegetable. First step, the boiling the water.
It's boiling water. It should be boiling.
Exactly. This color is from Seychelles. You have another one. The next one, that's the king the colors. The majority blue, exactly. How you know? You work here before?
Yeah.
Look, that's majority blue. It's from the cobalt, the blue Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent.
Pumpkin seeds and almond. Oh putain!
Hi! It is really good. Try nyo siya guys pag nag-Morocco kayo. Promise.
Sulit. I mean, worth it.
Yeah, it's worth it. So we reserve seats for our dinner later. For the twins.
Ay, syempre dapat
Hindi
tago
naman daw force. Ma-expose ako. Hindi naman daw.
So we're here sa restaurant na pina-reserve namin.
Mashallah.
For the birthday girls. Annyeong. Happy birthday to you. Ito lang roll ko tonight. Siyempre makikinig ako sa dalawa.
So we will have calamar.
Tiga-ilaw.
1, gambas, 2, 3. And you want the hook as well?
Meron pa
Bread
din.
sila and olives. Hindi man mabenta sa amin
Olives.
yung olives.
Thank you, dear.
Sabi mo nga muna ito.
Walk. Yeah, everything in the middle.
Angia?
Ay, may kanin. Buti na lang pa na.
Hindi pala, tatlo na lang.
Spaghetti?
Thank you. Medyo pangit lang ng video.
Wala na kasi tayong wala tayong Baka malaglag din sa bulsa mo, no?
Happy birthday! Day to you.
We're going. 1, 2, 3.
Right? Visit?
Lava cake for the birthday girls. Okay, it's our last day in Morocco. Ready na ba kayo umuwi?
No pa.
It's a very quick trip. So ang aming, ano ba? Flight ay 6:30 pa. It's almost 12. So kakain muna kami dito sa Roast Cafe in Marrakesh. Nung oras na kami natulog kahapon pero hindi kami nagchikahan tonight. Last night. Mag-impake na kami kasi it's our last day here in Morocco. Grabe yung ports ko.
Excuse our pimples.
Nade-develop dito. Dapat meron dito. Meron ko dalawa. 1 and 2. Oh well. We're going back sa malamig na lugar. Finally, iced coffee. Wow, cutie.
Sinira ko na akin.
3 days na ako sa Morocco. Ngayon lang ako magko-coffee. My God. Bango, shucks.
Baka ma-disappoint ka.
Huwag naman sana. Pesto. Yung ito. Tignan mo, sa lagay na to, little caramel lang yan.
Baka malaki yung pump nila, girl.
Pwede. Hindi ko na lang masyadong hahaluin. Sana masarap. Pwede na. Actually, pwede yung ihalo yung caramel kasi matapang yung coffee nila dito, no?
Next time mo din makakita ng ice cubes dito.
Walang ice cubes dito. Hindi, nakita natin kahapon sa wine.
Wine. Pero nilalagay sa drink.
Pero gusto ko yung lasa ng coffee nila.
Sarap. Sarap lasa ng dressing nila.
Yummy.
Ano yung dressing nila?
Tago ko ta. Para sa akin. Na-enjoy mo yung olive oil? Hindi.
Ito naman.
Yay.
Uy, kasi naging buwato sa Dubai.
Iba yung ito pwede rin ba? Stand by ngayon.
Wala ko. Ano yun, no? Gusto nag-check eh.
Hindi na siya aesthetic lang.
Kunin ko na lang siya.
Ay, natulog na yung oil, girl. Olive oil naman. Bongga siya malambot. Ay, masarap. Masarap. Mm. Pero,
Ano sabi mo kanina, baka matamis kasi
may coconut. Mm. Texture. Mm.
Magkabawal.
Ako, hindi ako pwede nito pala.
Paminsan na lang.
Puro keso pala to. Puro keso.
Ayaw bumili ng mama kasi mahalat.
Mm.
Sila Hana, Diyos ko.
Yun lang, yung sa vlog talaga.
Saan ba sila kumain nun?
Sabi dyan sa Medina. Lang ba to lang?
Hindi. Ito, beef yan. Roast beef, parang beef. In fairness, dito sa Morocco, I'm loving their lambs. Sarap ng luto nila.
Nahuli ba?
Nahuli ka.
Dumighay lang. Nag-burp lang.
Good.
Nawala.
Going down. We're back sa malamig na lugar na na-miss ni Archie. Oh, LD ako bukas. Annyeong. Bye. Huwag ko Bye.